Nilce Nogniwan. Welcome to a new Nahuatl lesson. In this lecture, we will learn how to properly introduce ourselves. First, you may want to say your name, right? For that, you may say Notoka and your name. For example, Notoka John. If you want to ask for someone's name, you say Ken Motoka? That's how Nahua people ask. They don't say, "What's your name?" like in English. They say, "How is your name?" Then, you can say, "Where are you from?" In that case, you say, Onitlacat Ompa and the place name. For example, Onitlacat Ompa Mexico. For asking that to someone, you say, Campa Otitlacat? Literally, where were you born? In order to say where do you live, we have this expression. Nichanti Ompa and the place's name. If you want to ask someone where does he or she live, you say Campa Tichanti. To say your age, you have to say in Nahuatl Mikpia Shiwik. If you want to know the number of your age, please let us know in the comments. We will answer as soon as possible. So, if you want to ask someone how old is he or she, you have to say Keskin Shiwik Tikpia. That's not literally how old are you. Keskin Shiwik Tikpia means how many years do you have? That's how Nahua people ask. If you want to say where do you work, you say in Nahuatl Nitekiti Ompa and then the name of the company you work with. For asking that, you say Campa Titekiti. If you don't have a job, you can say Amo Nitekiti. Maybe you want to say what do you like to do. So, you say Nechpaktia and the activity. Some activities we can list here are eating Mitlacuas, sleeping Nicochis, reading Nitlapowas, swimming Nimanelos, running Nitlalos, study Nahuatl Ninomachtis Nahuatl. Please note, these are not infinitive forms of verbs. In Nahuatl, verbs have conjugation. In these examples, we're talking only in first person. So, for example, when you say Nechpactia Nitlapoas, you are really saying, I like, I read. That sentence makes sense for Nahuatl. Nahua people will understand you. But literally, you don't say, I like reading or I like to read. You are really saying, I like, I read. That's the form to say this in Nahuatl. Finally, to close your presentation, you have to say, Ye ishkich, tlaso kamati. That means, that's all. Thank you. Congratulations! Now you know how to say in Nahuatl your name, your age, where are you from, where do you live, where do you work, and what do you like to do. If you want to know how to say some other activities in Nahuatl, please comment below and we will answer as soon as possible. That's all for today. We hope you find this video useful for your Nahuatl learning. See you in the next lesson. Titohtasque, Nogniwan.